Based on the electricity that's traveling through this arena and decibel level of the crowd, I think it's safe to say the roof of this building just might blow off.
When you have competitors on the level of these women, you just know it's going to be a great match.
And she slams her back down. And she comes up short.
If you're going to leave your feet, you got to make sure you're going to land the move.
A move like that is completely unnecessary, unless you want to degrade your opposition, of course. Summer Rae doing some damage. Look at this. She's so dangerous. Summer Rae not looking so hot here, but this certainly isn't something she can't come back from.
If you're worried about her now, you haven't seen many of her matches. She can withstand so much more punishment than this.
Look at her here. She's just reveling in the opportunity to make a mockery of her opponent. She looks absolutely helpless after that neck breaker. Oh no, a counter. Moves like that can upset your opponent more than hurt them. She counters with a move of her own. She's in a bad way here.
Bottom line, she's got to get up. She can't win this match on her back.
Corey, she's not getting up.
Well, she better if she wants to win this match.
Look at this. She's in control now following that slam. She's taking a while to get up here.
I was just thinking the same thing, Michael.
She's having a hard time getting back to her feet, guys.
Well, she's absorbed a lot of punishment so far tonight.
When she gets in attack mode, look out. Summer Rae is going to have to improvise because she's not seeing any benefit from her current strategy. I don't know how much more punishment she can take.
I would never question her toughness, but at this point,
she's got the shoulders down. One move after the other. It's devastating. Well, that rocked her all right. The quick reversal there by Summer Rae. Summer Rae, unbelievable king. Look at the look in her eyes. She's in the zone now. Here we go. Summer Rae is setting it up. Look out.
Summer Rae's in a bad way, guys. This is not good. I don't think Summer Rae knows where she is. I think we're at the point in this match where the finisher could be used at any moment here.
She's taking a while to recover here, guys.
At this point, she needs a new game plan. What she's been doing clearly isn't working.
A jarring neck breaker. Byron, can she even get back to her feet?
More importantly, does she even know where she is right now? Look at her go.
Look out, power slam. She goes to the outside now.
I think she's starting to get worried, Michael.
That shot landed on her and was a direct hit. She gets her good with the leg drop. Having a tough time getting back up here.
As you would expect, given what she's been through here tonight.
Her senton finds the mark. Putting it all on the line. Incoming. A few inches off there.
Inches? She missed by at least a foot, Cole.
That can't be enough, can it? Got her good with a chop. Whoa, missed by a large margin there.
Come on, how do you miss by that much?
She is on fire.
She's down, and she may be out.
I think you're right, Michael. I mean, she's not even moving.
Going for broke. This is it, guys.
Man, she knows how to make a comeback.
Struggling to get upright here.
Tough spot to be in at this point, Michael.
She's looking at it. Huge move right there.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
Going all the way up. Whoa! Uh-oh. The moonsault.
Summer Rae's in a bad way, guys.
The cover, and this one's history. What a win.